Hey guys, welcome and welcome back. Okay, so my hair is already washed and deep conditioned. I use black rice water and this Pantene conditioner and some apple cider vinegar on my scalp. The Suave Keratin leave-in treatment is good for heat defense. And since I'm blow drying my hair, I'm going to go ahead and use this deep conditioning, the leave-in treatment. I'm just going to smooth it all in. I'm parting my hair in 4 sections and just going to smooth it all into each section, making sure I take care of my ends, preparing them for the blow dryer, detangling. I found this little brush at the 99-cent store. It's twisting off the section. I like the way this leave-in leaves my hair soft and super defined, curly, and I'm confident in the heat defense part of it too. Because when I'm done blow drying it, it doesn't feel dry or anything afterwards. It feels pretty moisturized. This detangle brush is pretty cool. This is all the shedding that I got. Not much. Pretty happy with that. Time to blow dry. And I blow dry in sections as well, starting from the tips, the ends, working my way up to my roots. Since it's going in a ponytail, I want to make sure that it's pretty dry. I don't want it all the way dry. Just try not to dry out my hair, but I want it dry enough to where I don't have to worry about my scalp while it's in a ponytail. I'm gonna braid off the section to keep the heat in. And it kind of acts like, it holds that heat for a while when you braid it at the end. It helps with the straightening process. So here I'm on my last section. As you can see, it blow dries pretty straight with this heat defense, but the front of my hair is always a little thinner and less curly than the back of my hair. It's always been like that. Okay, so rose hip oil and aloe vera oil gel on my face. I don't wear makeup often at all, so for my everyday look, this is what I do. It gives me a nice glow and it helps with my blemishes. This herbal oil I put on my scalp and all over my hair to just keep it soft, keep it moisturized and hydrated. So I'm going to put it on my scalp, put it all in my hair, all over, comb it out, and then I'm going to part it to start my ponytail. I don't show you right this second. I'm going to show you a little later, but I am using the Eco Styler aloe vera gel, the green one. It's my favorite. It keeps me shiny, and you know, I like what it does for my curls, but it also has a really good hold for ponytails. There it is, Eco olive oil, Eco Styler olive oil. The scrunchies I use are the endless ones. I don't know about you guys, but my hair is pretty thick, so getting it in a ponytail, whoo child. I have to go over and over and over, and I don't like to use too much heat, so that's why I know some of you are probably like, you should flat iron it, but no, I shouldn't. I don't want to. I don't like to put too much heat in my hair because I don't want any heat damage. I don't want no issues. I got my hair where I want it now, on the road to success. So here I'm just going to show you how I apply my lashes. And I don't always use strips. Sometimes I use the individuals, but you know, I was on my way out, and strips are, you know, kind of easier. I like to wash my face, my whole face, and the individuals when I put those on. I don't use the professional glue, so you know, they'll come off, and I like to be able to like really get on my face and wash it good. So I don't know, these temporary strips are better for me in that sense. And I fill in my brows just a little bit because they're thick on one side and thin on the other. This lip gloss, I just got it from MAC. It is so cute. I like it. It gives a natural look, but it also has like a slight tinted pink. So I'm braiding my ponytail here and brushing my edges down. Get my little baby hairs popping and stuff. You know what I'm saying? I put a rubber band at the end of my ponytail so that I can add. There's my little helper back there. Get my Ashantis down. Simple edges, and I use this strip to hold my edges down. I don't have to wear it for a long time, but just a few minutes just to set them. And this hair was sent to me. They wanted me to do this video so that I can help promote their business, but I can't tell you who sent it to me until they post it on their page first. I have to let them get their credit first, and then I can tell you guys where I got it from. But these are clip-ins, as you can see, and I just clipped them onto my ponytail starting at the bottom and working my way up to the top. And when you get to the very top, you take a couple strips of the hair and wrap it around the ponytail to cover, make sure that nothing is showing. And this is an ombre, as you can see, so it's blending with my natural hair color, and then the blonde at the tips. All right, so all done. Take the strips out after it's set for a few minutes. Look at those edges. Yes, yes. I'm not ecstatic about the color. It makes the texture look funny to me, but it's still kind of cute. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys.